Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market. Today, we're taking a closer look at the VEVOR Double Cup Turner, which is widely regarded as the best double tumbler turner for all your DIY glitter and epoxy resin projects. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, this turner is designed to elevate your crafting game to the next level. The VEVOR Double Cup Turner is a two-arm tumbler turner that allows you to make 2 tumblers at once, which is perfect for saving time while working on your projects. It's ideal for creating personalized glitter and epoxy tumblers or even dazzling pens. With the included pen attachments, this machine offers incredible versatility, making it the perfect choice for anyone interested in crafting a variety of epoxy-based projects. The silent motor ensures that the machine operates quietly, allowing you to work without any unnecessary noise disruption. One of the standout features of this tumbler turner is its two-way rotation. Each arm is equipped with individual switches, giving you the flexibility to rotate both clockwise and counterclockwise. This helps achieve more precise control during the drying process, ensuring that your epoxy resin is evenly distributed without any unwanted dripping or pooling. With a rotation speed of 3 to 4 RPM for a slow spin and a faster 5 to 6 RPM speed option, you have complete control over how quickly or slowly the drying process occurs. The machine is built with a strong and durable frame that can handle up to 11 pounds of weight per arm. The VEVOR Tumbler Turner comes with all the necessary components to get started, including adjustable foam inserts to fit a wide range of cup sizes, from 14 to 40 ounces. It even includes 12 different glitter powders, making it a complete starter kit for those looking to dive into the world of epoxy and glitter crafting. Another important feature to note is the machine's flame retardant housing. This keeps the motor temperature within a safe range, even during prolonged use, which is important for both safety and longevity. So, whether you're crafting in a small craft room or a professional space, this tumbler turner is built to last, and it will provide you with hours of uninterrupted crafting fun. If you're someone who loves to create unique, personalized tumblers or pens, the VEVOR Double Cup Turner is the ultimate tool for your next project. It's designed to help you create perfect, professional-looking crafts every time. So, if you're ready to level up your crafting, consider adding the VEVOR Double Cup Turner to your collection. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more product reviews from Product Critique.